Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. I thought it would be fun if today I did like a makeup tutorial, and I decided to do something I've tried a few times before, which is a galaxy makeup look. So that's what we are going to do today. I just took a shower, so my hair is wet and I don't want my hair to get in the way, so I'm just going to put it up in my wig cap already. So now my hair is out of the way and it won't be getting in my face anymore. I'm going to use a bunch of different colors, different shades of blue and purple on my face to create a galaxy effect. So now I look like a crazy person. We will set everything with powder, and I won't be blending down the neck further since I'm going to be wearing something that will cover all this, so I feel like that would be a waste. So I just put on a ton of highlighter because it's necessary, and now I will be contouring. I wasn't really sure about eyebrows yet, but I think I'm just going to do like some eyebrows with the same black face paint kind of stuff that I used for this part. I think I will be using the silver shade and like one of the two white shades, maybe the pink, on like the lid to really open it up. Of course, this would not be a galaxy look if I didn't have little stars all over my face, so we're gonna go do that. I guess I'll just do eyeliner, you know? Like, I didn't really plan this look out fully. I knew I was going to do this face, but I didn't know what lipstick or eyebrows or eye makeup, so I'm just making it up as I go. So now I look like a, yeah, galaxy alien thing, creature, I don't know, galaxy thing, whatever. I'm going to put on my wig, the rest of my outfit, and then I'll give you the final reveal. So that's this, that is this look. This is how you can become a galaxy thing, creature, you know. I mean, I got my face paint off the internet, just like Attitude Holland, or just looking up blue face paint, white face paint, you know, and then just buying it. I'm cheap. I don't get the high-end brands, I only get the cheap stuff. Y'all know me. I am a cheap person. So that's it for today. This is my galaxy look. I'll just call it the galaxy look. That's it. That's basically it. So subscribe if you want more of this, and I hope to see you next time.